In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3 black crows bearish, quick and easy. This is a really useful candlestick pattern for spotting potential bearish reversals on your charts, and we're going to keep the process simple so you can follow along even if you're new to charting. First, make sure you're on a chart in your trading platform. I'll be using Tradingview as an example, but the idea is the same if you're on a similar charting site. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the timeframes and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all the built-in tools and community scripts are stored, and it's your main hub for adding any technical study to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and start typing the word black. You don't have to type the full name of the pattern. Just black is enough to filter the list. As you type, Tradingview will automatically narrow down the available indicators and you'll see results related to candlestick patterns that include that word. Now, look through the filtered list and find the one called 3 black crows bearish. This is the specific indicator we want to add. Once you see it in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be applied directly to your chart. You should now see signals or highlights wherever the 3 black crows bearish pattern appears in your chosen market and time frame. From here, you can hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart to access settings. This is where you can adjust the visual style, change colors, or tweak any available parameters so it fits better with your existing setup. Remember, the 3 black crows pattern is typically used to indicate a potential shift from bullish to bearish sentiment. So consider using it together with other tools like support and resistance, trend lines, or volume for stronger confirmation. If you're finding value in using this indicator and you want to unlock more chart layouts, alerts, and advanced features, you can upgrade to a paid version of Tradingview. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up for Tradingview Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep creating tutorials like this one. And that's all you need to do to quickly and easily add the 3 black crows bearish indicator to your chart.